Welcome to this non-sleep deep rest for beginners. Non-sleep deep rest is basically a term coined by Dr. Andrew Huberman, a scientist from Stanford University, whom I feel very lucky to have heard lectures from here in Victoria, BC at University of Victoria, and I've listened to his podcast for a number of years now. And he coined the term non-sleep deep rest, which is basically the same as yoga nidra. It's a body scan that will take you into a deep level of relaxation. It will give you a deep amount of rest, similar to sleep, but you're still aware and awake in a short amount of time. So I hope you enjoy it. And as always, our members will get the audio download that they can listen anytime, anywhere in their earbuds. And enjoy. Let me know what you think of non-sleep deep rest. In this non-sleep deep rest, I will gently guide you through a body scan to help you relax, reduce stress, and fall asleep more easily. Non-sleep deep rest is recommended by Stanford neuroscientist and researcher Dr. Andrew Huberman. According to Dr. Huberman, non-sleep deep rest can put your body into a restorative state similar to sleep. Non-sleep deep rest or yoga nidra is the kind of rest you get when your body is in a relaxed state, but your mind is still awake. Non-sleep deep rest involves slowing down your brainwave frequency, similar to what's happening during sleep, but only in this case, you're still awake. And don't worry, if you fall asleep, that's completely fine. Make yourself as comfortable as possible. You can receive non-sleep deep rest lying down or sitting up. Make sure you're warm enough or cool enough, depending on the temperature of the room, because your body will cool over the course of this non-sleep deep rest. It can be supportive to block out the light by gently closing your eyes, softening your gaze, or even using an eye pillow or covering your eyes in some way if you wish. Non-sleep deep rest is simply a way to rest in our busy days. This is not something you have to try hard to get right. If you find yourself uncomfortable, adjust your position and make yourself more comfortable. There's no right or wrong way to do non-sleep deep rest. You're free to step away from the practice at any time. Sometimes you'll hear my words clearly. Sometimes it might even sound like they're lost in the distance. It's all good, even if you fall asleep. Become aware of sounds. Tune into remote sounds, and then allow your ears to pick up sounds closer in. Maybe even the sound of your own breathing. Notice the room you're in, the space of the room. Feel yourself resting on the ground and the space all around you. Feel the support of the earth, the texture of the clothes on your skin, and feel the points of contact of the floor against your body. Become aware of your breath through your nose, breathing gently in and out through your nose. And then notice the inside of your mouth, the moisture in your mouth, your tongue, the inside of your cheeks, your teeth. Notice your eyes. And even though they might be closed, notice there's an ability to sense and feel your body inwardly. We're going to rotate your awareness through your body now. This is basically a body scan. You don't have to think about this. It's more about sensing and feeling. There's no way you can do this wrong. You don't have to try to relax. Just let your attention tune into your felt experience of the body sensations. Breathe into the space in the center of your forehead, behind your eyebrows. Notice the hollow of your throat. Notice your right shoulder joint, the bend of your right elbow, the bend of your right wrist, tip of your right thumb, tip of your right index finger, middle finger, tip of the right ring finger, tip of the right little finger, the space between all your fingers, the bend of your right wrist, your right elbow joint, your right shoulder, and the hollow of your throat. Become aware of your left shoulder, the bend of your left elbow, the bend of your left wrist, tip of your left thumb, tip of your left index finger, tip of your middle finger, tip of your ring finger, tip of your little finger, and the space between all your fingers. Notice your left wrist joint, the bend of your left elbow, your left shoulder, and rest in the hollow of your throat. Rest in your heart center. And rest in your lower belly. Notice your right hip, the bend of your right knee, your right ankle, the tip of the right big toe, the tip of the right second toe, tip of the middle toe, tip of the fourth toe, tip of the little toe, the space between all of the toes, your right ankle, right knee, right hip, and breathe into your lower abdomen. Notice your left hip, the bend of your left knee, left ankle joint, tip of the left big toe, tip of the left second toe, tip of the left middle toe, tip of the left fourth toe, tip of the left little toe, the space between all the toes, left ankle, left knee, left hip, and breathe into your lower belly. Become aware of your heart center. Rest in the hollow of your throat. And notice the space between and above the eyebrows. And then become aware of your whole body. Notice your whole body. Become aware of your whole body. If you're willing, become aware of the sensations on the left side of your body. Let the feelings on the left side of your body grow and amplify into your awareness. And then when you feel ready, open your awareness to the sensations on the right side of your body. Tune into those sensations down the whole right side of your body. Bring your awareness back to the left side of your body. And then feel both the left and right side of your body simultaneously without thinking about it. Open to the experience of the left and right side of your body dissolving into each other. Feeling your whole body. Feel your whole body. Feel your whole body resting into the background of awareness, where there is nothing to do, nothing to accomplish, and nothing left to complete. There's nothing you need to get, nothing you need to know, and nowhere you need to be. Gradually coax yourself back from the depths of non-sleep deep rest. Let this transition be very slow and gentle and easy. One way to do this is just to open and close your eyes a few times, adjusting to the light in the room again. Let yourself really soak up the rest and beingness of this experience of non-sleep deep rest, and allow yourself to bring this relaxation and calm into the rest of your day or sleeping night.